I made some flowers and paper butterflies so that I can take it to my work meeting to give to the people that I'm meeting up with today in San Diego. So we'll be making our way to San Diego, and we're actually using it as an excuse to head out to San Diego and spend our day there for our summer vacation. And yeah, we're really excited to visit the Balboa Park, and we're actually visiting the Natural History Museum there, and we're hoping to work on a collaborative project with them. So we're really excited, hoping that we could have some paper flowers on like a wall there. And I'll be taking you guys with me through our San Diego trip today. I'm also ready to head over to a stained glass workshop. I'm actually taking my niece for her birthday present. I'm so excited. I've never done stained glass like craft, so it's really exciting because I found a place out in Irvine in Orange County. I'll link it for you guys below the video, and they do a handful of different workshops. They do tufting, they do like little decorating and candles, and the stained glass workshop. When we looked through the list, I really liked the stained glass idea, although we really wanted to do tufting, so maybe I'll go back for tufting. But the stained glass workshop, and then I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Hopefully I come out with something decent. I'm thinking I really want to make a flower. I don't know if we have any options, and yeah, I'll link it for you guys below if you guys are interested. just started the bathrooms, and we're so excited about it because the bathrooms that we have are like the original bathrooms we have in our house, and our house is probably older than me, and we're finally ready to get it going. I'm going to share the before, and then maybe after a week or two, I don't know how long it's going to take, I'll share the after with you guys. And the before is kind of embarrassing, but I'll show you guys and share the process with you guys, and hopefully show you guys the after of the bathroom renovation. I'm all dressed up in my favorite summer dress. I'm going to be taking these to my patio to decorate my tree. I'm so excited for these. They're so much fun. They're so colorful. I made them in kind of all the little themes that I like for summer. Strawberries. I have the lemon that's going to pair perfectly with my paper lemon. And then my tulips and some butterflies. They're so cute, and this is the concept that I kind of pitched for summer, a cute summer craft, and I love how it turned out. It's so colorful, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like in the patio decorated. And I'm going to be having some lemonade out there with some cupcakes, and yeah, they're going to be perfect. So try making it yourself for summer as well.